Hi everyone, this is the Group 7 reporters. Our topics is Color Theory Basics, the Color Wheel. So first, let me introduce myself. I am Elizabeth Alferez and I'm gonna be the first to represent our given topics. So, first we start, what is color theory? So color theory is the study of how colors mix, interact, and create harmony. It serves as a guide for artists and designers in combining colors effectively, using principles and tools like the color wheel to produce visually appealing results. So next one, what is the color wheel? So the color wheel is a visual tool that shows the relationship between colors, invented by Sir Isaac Newton in 1666. It helps artists and designers understand how colors mix and interact. So I have here the painter's color wheel. So on the painter's color wheel, colors are divided into three main groups. We have here the primary colors, the secondary colors, and the tertiary colors. This one, the tertiary colors. So, first, we have the primary colors. We have the color red, yellow, and blue. So, these three primary colors are the foundation of the color wheel. No? So, they are called the primary colors. Magitawag sila og primary colors because they are the foundation of the color wheel. So, when painting, it is important to have a true red, blue, and yellow to help you mix a variety of other colors. So, mo na siya gitawag na siya og foundation of the color wheel just because kanang tungod ani nilang tulo is dakon sila tabang nga maka mix ta og other colors. The next we have the secondary colors. We have the violet, orange, and green. So secondary colors are created by mixing equal parts of two primary colors together. So for example, so red plus blue is equals to violet. Red plus yellow is equal to orange. And blue plus yellow is equal to green. So mo na siyang gitawag og secondary colors kay the two primary colors is if i-mix nato siya is maka-create na ta og secondary colors. So which is mo ni siya si orange, violet, and green. So next, we have the tertiary colors. The blue violet, red violet, red orange, this one, red orange, yellow orange, yellow green, and the blue green. So in total, there are 6 tertiary colors. So let's count if it's 6 jud ba? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have in the total we have the 6 tertiary colors. So tertiary colors are created by mixing equal parts of a primary and secondary color together. So for example, so we have here the primary colors, which is the blue color, and let's add on to violet, which is the secondary colors. So it equals to color blue violet. So man siya itawag na siya og tertiary colors. The next one we have here the red, which is the primary, plus violet, which is the secondary, is equal to red violet. The next one, we have here the red, which is the primary, plus orange, which is the secondary. So, mga siya, it equals to red-orange. Ano, this one? Red-orange. Then next, we have here the yellow, which is the primary, plus orange. This one, the orange, which is the secondary. So, it equals to yellow-orange. Next, we have the yellow, which is the primary, plus green, which is the secondary, is equal to yellow-green. And the last one, we have here the blue, which is the primary, plus the green, which is the secondary, is equals to blue-green. This one, blue-green. So, mo na siya ang gitawag og tertiary colors because ang iyang colors is na-mix na siya together with the primary colors and the secondary colors. So, I hope you understand the three main groups, yes, of the color wheel. So, next, let's proceed. The tints, tones, and shades. So, the U is the original color, and we have here the tint. Oh, okay, this one para mas masabtan. Okay, the U is the original color. Then the tint is created by adding white to make a variation of that color U. Then we have the tone, created by adding And we have here the tone, created by adding gray to a color hue. Then shade is created by adding black to a color hue to darken. So, para mas widen ang inyong mga knowledge. So, here, this is the hue, the original color. And the tint is mao to siya katong ang tint is ma-compare ninyo is kanang katong giada na siya og light, no? Para mas mo light iyang color. Then ang shade, sumoto siya giadan siya og kanang black color para mas ma-darken ang iyang color. So look at the difference. So this is the original color, which is the hue, and the tint nga katong giadan og light color. Then the shade katong giadan og black color. So I hope you understand the color wheels. So that's all with my part, and my member will continue the given topics also. Thank you.
We are Group 7 and our topics are about color theory, the basic color wheel, and my assigned topic is about color groups.
Color groups. One of the main uses of the color wheel is to help us recognize the visual relationship between colors. By looking at the placement of colors on the color wheel, we can come up with groupings of different colors that work well with one another for a variety of purposes.
So, color groups, these are the kanaang grupo sa color, mga variety of colors. Like for example, mo tanaw tag painting, so makakita tag mga lain variety of colors. Ano siyang color groups help to kanaang recognize and visualize the concept of color wheel. So there are 6 different color groups. The first one is analogous color.
An analogous color scheme consists of 3 neighboring colors on the color wheel. Pick one color to be the primary color and the 2 colors adjacent to it on either side to make your own analogous color scheme.
So this is the example of analogous color. Pick one primary color and 2 adjacent color that kanang neighboring nagtapad ra silang tulo. Ano siya ang Kanaang analogous color consists of three colors.
Second one is complementary colors, two colors that are directly across from one another on the color wheel. These pairings are usually high contrast and bold. While these complete opposites may not seem like they work well together, they brighten and straighten one another for high impact look.
So this is the example of the complementary colors, two colors that are directly across on the color wheel. So these colors work well together to create a high impact look.
The third one is tragic colors, consists of three colors that are equally spaced apart on the color wheel in a triangular shape. Tragic color schemes are bolder than analogous color and create some wonderful contrast and vibrant looks.
So this is the example of tragic colors, consists of three but in a triangular shape.
Fourth one is split complementary colors, similar to a complementary color scheme. Instead of using two colors directly across from one another on the color wheel, it uses three colors, one primary colors and then two colors adjacent to its complement. Split complementary color scheme work best with one dominant color and the other two used as accent color to avoid looking too busy.
And then this is the example of split complementary colors. Split complementary colors kay similar mo siya sa complementary but it composes three colors instead three colors. The one primary and two accent colors. Muna siya mga color kanang mga light ra na siya para dili kayo kanang looking busy imuhang kanaang pag-paint baron or ang painting.
Fifth one is tetradic colors, also called a rectangular color scheme. A tetradic color scheme features four colors spaced apart in a rectangular shape.
So this is the example of tetradic colors. Composed na siya of four colors in a rectangular shape.
And the last one is square colors. A square color scheme is a four colors equal distance apart from one another. Square color schemes are bold, vibrant, and well balanced. Choose a square over a rectangular color scheme if you're going for a higher contrast look.
So this is the example of square colors. Consists of four colors. Og ganahan kag vibrant look imuhang pag-paint, dapat mo gamit ka og square colors kay it composes of bold, vibrant, and well-balanced color.